Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Sonal Yadav and in today's video I am creating this look right here, which is having such an amount of glitter on the eyes and it is followed with a bright red lipstick. I think this combination is a perfect amount of glam that you need for your date night evening. And as we all know that Valentine's Eve is around the corner, so this is the look that I've created for you guys. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do that. And just to let you guys know that I keep on posting a lot of such videos. And yeah, let's just get started with today's makeup look. As always, if you want a good base, the first thing that I like to do is to do a good skincare routine. I'm just going to relax myself by the scented candle and I am just assessing my skin right here. Because this is a Valentine's look, I would just want to say this to you guys that just love the way your skin looks in general, be happy with it. And now let's just get started with the skincare. So the first product that I'm using right here is a glow boosting oil. This is just Herbs Kumsukadi Tail. This is really nice on hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. I am going to apply a few drops of this product on my skin now. One really amazing thing about this product is that it has a very mild fragrance to it, which is very soothing in general. So I love the fragrance of this product. It's very nice and natural and very mild in general. So I'm just pressing this product and spreading it all over my face, also making sure to cover my neck with this product, because we will also be including a little bit of facial and neck massage. So I'm using a facial massage tool. This is again from Just Herbs. It is their Kansa Gua Sha tool. Now you can also do the same massaging motions with your fingers as well. And this is so relaxing, you guys. I really love to indulge myself into facial massages. It just soothes my soul, I feel. So yeah, just relax, enjoy the massage, and this is how I am doing it. Very gently I am going to apply very gentle and very generous amount of pressure, and you can see that the oil is making my skin look so nice and so glowy. I literally just love the fragrance as well of this product, and yeah, I just love how it is gliding on my skin. I am also running this tool across my eyebrows. This will also help you to just calm down your whole face and release any tension or stress if you have any. This tool is really nice in order to activate your pressure points, and also it will increase the blood circulation around your face, which will help you to have a glowy looking skin. So yeah, I just love doing this every day. And I am just going to tap my fingers underneath my eyes to just have a little bit of relaxation sensation, and you can see that my skin is glowing, and I love both of these two products. So after 15 minutes, I am going to use my first product, which is the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This primer is a silicone based primer and it helps in minimizing the appearance of your pores. If you have oily skin type, then I would highly recommend to get this primer for yourself. So I'm just gently pressing this product into my skin in order to achieve nice and smooth skin. It helps in blurring out the pores, and I'm also applying it on all those areas where I know that I might crease, because this will also control creasing. For my foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Toffee. I'm going to take 1.5 pump of this product and I'm going to mix it with this Ikai Get Lit Illuminator. Taking equal quantity of the illuminator as well, I'm going to mix and apply both of these. I'm going to blend the product today with a sponge. When it comes to applying foundation, I personally like to blend and apply product little by little. So initially I've taken very little amount of product, which is why there is lesser coverage, and slowly and steadily, if I find the need, I'll be building more product, because I think that layering And adding more layers of coverage to your makeup is easy, but removing makeup out of your face is very difficult. So it's better that you layer first and just apply the product little by little. So you might see that this product is looking a little bit light on my face. That's because it's also going to oxidize and turn into a little darker. So yeah, it might look a little bit light initially, but I promise that by the end of the video it will be suiting and matching my skin very perfectly. When it comes to blending my foundation, I personally love using blenders because I think they are going to give you a very nice airbrushed or even very smooth looking skin in general. So even when I use brushes, I always give it a final touch using a blender. My forehead is a bit tan, which is why it is looking quite light on my forehead, but after oxidization this product is going to match beautifully. And with whatever is left on my hand, I'm just going to apply it on my neck, on my ears, and also near my hairline, because we want our foundation to look nicely blended. And now I'm using the concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. When it says full wear, it is actually very much of a high coverage concealer. I'm going to take very little amount again, and slowly and steadily, if I need the quantity to be more, I'll be adding more product. When it comes to blending my concealer, I personally like to blend it with the brush. I never drag the product, I always just tap it, because if you drag the product underneath your eyes, you will end up creating a lot of brush strokes or just streaks in general. So do not do that. Just press the product into your skin, and even after blending it nicely with the brush, I will be giving it a final touch with a beauty blender to just soften out everything nicely. Now I do feel a little bit of need of adding more product, so I am going to apply a little bit more of the concealer, and again I'm going to blend it nicely. So just going to blend everything nicely, and now I'm going to give it a final touch using the blender just to remove any brush strokes. So now I'm using my favorite loose powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade medium. I am going to take a little bit of this, but before that I am going to blend all the creases, and I'm going to press this product into my skin in order to avoid and prevent creasing underneath the eyes. You can see that powdering your skin makes a lot of difference, so I'm gonna do that. Now I'm using this Mars Wonder Compact. It has two compact shades in one packaging, so I'm going to take very little amount of this product, and I'm going to dab it with the sponge around all of those areas wherever I know that I might end up looking oily, shiny, or cakey in general. So take very little amount when you're doing it with a compact. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to bronze and contour a little bit. This is more of a bronzing shade on me, I believe, because it has amazing amount of warmth. Today when I'm bronzing, I'm not really adding or creating structure. I really want to have those fuller looking cheeks, which is why I'm going in round and circular U motion, you can say, so a semicircle motion, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of structure right here. So you can see I have not placed the contour or the bronzing powder high today because I wanted fuller looking cheek today. For my blush, I'm using this Myglamm Kplay blush. I'm mixing it with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded blush in the shade Coral Dream, and I'm going to mix both of these shades to get very beautiful peachy pink sort of a blush look. So I'm applying the blush again in the center portion of my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks actually, because I want a fuller looking cheek look today. A little bit of it goes on my nose and my chin area, and using a bigger fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend my powder and my blush together. This will give a nice and beautifully blended look. Now for highlighter, I'm using this PAC highlighter. This is one of the new launches from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this to all of my highest points of the face. And one trick that I like to do is that I like to mix my blush with my highlighter in order to get a rosy glowy look, a pinky highlighter look basically. So yeah, I'm just doing that same thing. I'm mixing both of my blush and highlighter. It is sort of sandwiching your highlighter, you know. So first you apply the highlighter, then you apply a blush, and then you again top it up with the highlighter. This technique gives you a beautiful pink glow. Now I'm taking the same Fit Me Loose powder to carve out my cheek, just to add a little bit of structure to my face. Also going to apply this on my nose, and I'll just dust it off using a fluffy brush later on. You can see that my cheeks look a little bit more structured and more carved out now. Finally guys, it is time for the eye makeup look. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Art Library palette. This has a lot of beautiful shades. So I'm going to use this one as a transition shade. And I'm going to blend it with this fluffy brush, which is again from MAC. All the products will be listed down in the description box below. So please do check it out. Talking about transition shade, I believe blending your transition shade the right way makes a lot of difference in your overall eye look. So make sure that you blend it beautifully. I'm also going to blend it in my waterline, and slowly taking a deeper shade, I'm going to create a V-like pattern in the corner of my eyes. Doing this will also add a little bit of depth into the eyes, and you can see that it's looking beautifully once it is blended nicely. So you can see it creates a beautiful amount of depth. Now I'm using this lighter shade from the palette, and I'm applying it to just bring some light in the inner corners of my eyes. Now using this foil shade from Frosted Fireworks collection, I'm going to apply this. It has a little amount of glitter specks to it. It's a foil shade, but it has a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to press that thing into my eyes to just get a little bit of glitteriness into the eyes, and I'm going to blend it with the brown shade now. Using this Technakohl eye pencil from MAC Cosmetics, I'm going to just apply the kajal pencil only in the outer portion of my eyes, and I'm going to take a brown shade to blend that and smudge that in. After applying false lashes, this is how my eye makeup looks like. I'm going to apply the kajal in my lower lash line as well, and I'll be smudging it out using a brown shade. In order to make my eyes look lifted, I'm just bringing the eyeshadow a little above. Taking a lighter shade from the same palette, I am going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and also the brow bone area. This adds a lot of finishing touch to your eye makeup look, so never really skip this step. So yeah guys, that is all about the eye makeup. Now coming towards the lips, I am taking this MAC RubyWoo lipstick. I'm going to apply this in itself today. I'm not going to do a ombre look because I always, in most of my videos, I do like a nice ombre maroon lip look. But today we are just going for this red lipstick. And you guys can see it's such a stunning shade. Like, I am in love with the way this one looks. I am going to apply the shade Ruby Phew with this just to make my lipstick last for a lot more longer. I am applying this liquid lipstick on top of it, and you can see the finish of this product is so beautiful. It's very comfortable, and I love MAC lipsticks in general as well. After drying down, this is how my lips look like, and I absolutely love this look. I have paired it with nice amount of jewelry, and I have done some curls, like some messy curls, and I think it is just all complementing the look quite a lot. I've also applied a little bit of body makeup. So yeah, this is how I have completed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed today's look, and yeah, I'll be meeting you in my next one. Until then, please take care. Love you all. Bye.